Hey everyone! I am so excited for today's video because we are finally breaking down how to create this stunning design right from the comfort of your own home. Step 1. First, we identify the mid area of hand, then we will create V-shaped line that acts as foundation to create a perfect mihrab. In the mid, we will create a leaf-shaped patel and we will draw big humps on the both sides. After getting perfect mihrab, we will bold it. After this, we will create two lines following the shape of mihrab, and we will create humps for finishing look. Step 2. We will move to fingers to draw those intricate fingers design. We will draw a line and we will add humps. Also, we create a line for reference to add equal bold big humps. Then again, we draw two lines and add humps. Again, add one thin and one bold line, then draw a horizontal line, add humps. Now we will move to intricate patterns by creating a vine. After that, we draw a circle and add dots around the circle to create the flower. Then we will add teardrops and petals on both sides. Repeat it by adding one teardrop and one petal to fill whole finger. Now we will repeat the whole process on all the fingers. I decorated the fingers with stylish bracelet style bands and fine floral motifs. These tiny flowers and leaves give the design a graceful and modern appearance. Step 3. Now let's create the net design. Start by drawing diagonal lines from the left side towards the right side, keeping equal distance between each line. Once all the diagonal lines are complete, draw another set of diagonal lines in the opposite direction. This will create a neat diamond-shaped net. After completing the net, we will add a dot between each line and connect the dot from upwards to downwards to create leaf-shaped pattern. You can also add tiny circles, flowers, or leaves inside some diamonds to make the design more attractive. The key to beautiful net pattern is maintaining equal spacing and keeping the lines straight and thin. Work slowly and carefully for a clean, professional finish. Now add small plus sign where the lines intersect each other. This will make the pattern look fuller and more elegant. This design is beginner-friendly and can be completed in a short time. If you're learning Mehndi, try practicing the net pattern and finger details separately before drawing the complete design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss a new Mehndi design video.